In this video, I will teach you how to add new cell type to the simulation. So adding new cell type to the simulation can be as simple as copying the last name of the cell type steppable, incrementing type ID. So previously we had type ID 0 and 1, now we are adding type ID 2 and changing the name of the type. So we had condensing cells, so let's create non-condensing cells. Let's save it. But notice that if we try to run this simulation, we'd probably get an error because here we're defining cell type non-condensing, but we don't have non-condensing interactions, or we have not defined contact energy, adhesion energy between cells of type non-condensing and other cell types. So how do we do this? Well, you can, of course, do this by hand, following this pattern, or you can use CC3D-ML context menu that will help us with some work. So just for fun, before we do that, let me actually change those energies to 9 and 11. And you will see why in a second. I'm going to go to CC3D Python menu. So first of all, I'm going to position the cursor where I want my new contact plugin code to be inserted. And I'm going to CC3D-ML menu. I'm going to plugins, and I'm going to select contact. And I will get this pop-up, and it will inform me that, hey, this plugin already exists. So what do you want me to do? Do you want to get rid of this code, or do you want me to comment it out? I'm going to choose replace. So essentially, we will get rid of this code and insert new template. Let's do that. So with one click, we have generated template, new contact energy template in Twedit. So that saved us some work. It doesn't look like a big deal, but when you have more cell types, this can get quite tedious and you can miss some pairwise interactions. And notice that those contact energies that I had before, 9 and 11, are correctly reassigned. So Twedit reanalyzed what was said before and kept those values that we had before. That's why I changed it for this purpose. So I think this is it for this lesson. I'm just going to run this code just to show you that it runs, and we'll end the lesson. Yes, it runs, and I'll see you in the next video.